Good morning, Tony here, Johnson RV. This is 2013 Leisure Travel Unity 24MB. For 2013, this thing is in extremely good condition, and of course has all the build quality that you would expect from leisure travel. This coach does have onboard generator, some good storage outside. And then coming inside, again, all the amazing build quality that you'd expect from leisure travel. It's on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, 3-liter turbo diesel. All this interior is in absolutely fantastic conditions. Tabletop. Here's where the Murphy bed is right here. Comes down from the wall. All the solid surface countertops. Here's where the TV comes up from this countertop here. Some storage down below. Here's the kitchen area. You get your sink. Nice trash can location where you can scrape your scraps into the trash can down below. You get your 2-burner cooktop here. Lots and lots of drawers and storage down below here as well. Then directly across is your refrigerator and freezer. Refrigerator up top, freezer down below. Microwave right here. And then coming back to the bathroom area. Oh, I missed the pantry. So there's a pull-out pantry here as well, right next to the refrigerator. Super handy location. And then coming back here into the bathroom area, tons and tons of space here on the floor for the commode. Really nice corner shower with a skylight for extra headroom. Another little sink back here, a little vanity area. And then again, more storage. This is actually accessible from the outside as well. And then here would be your closet for all of your hanging clothes. But again, for 2013, I don't think you can get much nicer than this. Please let me or anybody else on the team know if we can help get more information on this coach or any others that we have in stock. We'll help out any way we can. Thanks. Have a great day.